we're on the Sanpan 2500, and it's powered with the Honda 115. Now this is a very elegant and very comfortable pontoon. Nothing is an afterthought on this model. At first glance, we were impressed by the details of this fully loaded Sanpan that includes a long list of standard features and great amenities. We love this rear entry design. It's got 2 comfy seats, lighted cup holders. They also have a sink here and a grill. Unfortunately, burgers are sold separately. What could be better than a very comfortable helm chair? How about 2 more up in the bow? The Family Entertainer, or FE model, has key features you'd hope to find on a luxury pontoon. It would be easier to mention what it doesn't have, but what fun would that be? One of the few options is the bar package, which really helps take this Sanpan to the next level for entertaining. For 2012, the fiberglass helm console has been completely redesigned, and everything you see comes standard, including the Garmin GPS, Sony stereo, and the raised platform with synthetic teak flooring for the captain. It's easy to envision all the ways you could enjoy this Sanpan, from entertaining friends to just cooking burgers with the family. We love the offset front gate that makes the L-shaped lounge seating area in the bow possible. The pillow top super plush upholstery is new this year, and it's as comfortable as it looks. We like the value this loaded pontoon offers as tested, as well as the unique features and design that it offers.